Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to apply for Sri Lankan visit visa within 20 minutes. The application process is simple and can be completed entirely online without the need for document uploads. Enjoy the moment. Open your browser and start typing Sri Lanka ETA online application. This is the page you most likely to land. Just ensure that you are on the right page by ensuring that you are at eta.gov.lk and click on that to load the next page. It is going to give you some important information. For example, for citizens of India, China, Indonesia, Russia, Thailand, Malaysia, and Japan, there is no visa fee until the 31st of March, 2024. All passengers from the countries mentioned earlier should apply for ETA before departure. I would recommend you apply a week before taking this trip. If your travel is confirmed, then applying earlier is also good because the ETA is valid for 30 days after arrival in Sri Lanka and not from the date of approval. So getting ETA much earlier would be peace of mind. Click OK at the bottom to proceed. Select the language in which you want to fill and file your application. I select English, which takes me to next page. Please click on Apply button on the screen, which takes you to a pop-up information window. Please note down some information given here like you should have a return ticket, and you should have evidence that you are having sufficient money to take care of your own expenses during your stay in Sri Lanka. Ensure to enter the correct passport number, nationality, and date of birth in the application. Any errors in the above details cannot be corrected after submitting an application. Click on I agree, which takes you to another page where it is asking you the details about type of visa, whether you are traveling for tourism or business, and also type of traveler, whether you are a group traveler or traveling alone. I am here applying for an individual. If you are traveling in a group of more than one, then you can use the group application form. It is asking only simple information that will be commonly asked in any visa application form. Suppose you have a problem with the surname. It is explained here to take your last name as the surname and your first name as the given name. Fill in all other information like your title, date of birth, gender, nationality, status of vaccination against COVID-19, country of birth, passport number, issue date, expiry date, and so on. If you are traveling with children, then this is the section you are supposed to fill in and click Add Child for the next child. Fill this only if they are traveling with you. Once you fill, the children's information will appear here. The next section is to fill the details of your travel history in the past 14 days. I select India. Visa required days. I select 30 days. You cannot enter a custom value here. Intended arrival date. Let me put March 4th. Purpose of visit. Select sightseeing and holiday. Port of departure is the place where you start journey. Let me select Chennai. Airline. Type the name of the airline you are traveling. I write Sri Lankan Airlines. Flight number. Look at your ticket and write here. Write your contact details in the country of origin. It is better if you type the same address as mentioned in your passport. Not mandatory though. Now you can fill in the contact details at Sri Lanka. Suppose you don't have one. Visit websites like booking.com and book a hotel with a free cancellation option so that you will get a confirmation including the address of the property, which we can use here. Then fill in your email ID and mobile number, which can be used by visa officials to send you further communication about the visa approval. Please do not fill hotel information in these two areas. Here, we give some important declarations. Whether you have a resident visa of Sri Lanka or you have an ETA or extension of visa, or you already have a multi-entry visa, for most of us the answer will be NO. Click on the checkbox to confirm that all the above information are correct. Now click Next to review the application and the visa fee. The visa fee is already zero, as the applicant is from one of those countries for which the visa fee was waived. Click Confirm, and click OK on the pop-up and again OK on the next pop-up also. The system generates an acknowledgement immediately. Click on the bottom print button and save the file as PDF for future references. The reference number given here can be used for tracking your application status. To track the status of the application, go back to the main visa application screen and click on Check Status, which will take you to the screen where you can just enter only the reference number and click on the Check Status button. The status appears below as pending. After 1 hour, I just want to check the status again by giving the confirmation code. The visa ETA is approved. Cool, isn't it? Thanks for watching. We hope this video was useful to you. Please subscribe for more videos to come. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and comment.